Hello, my name is Claire Stewart and I am an application specialist at PerkinElmer. In this tutorial I will be demonstrating how to import data in Volocity. Open a library. Recent libraries are listed on screen, or go to the File menu to open a previously created library. Images or folders of images in supported file formats may be added to Volocity by drag and drop. Volocity will recognise metadata where present and create an image sequence with the appropriate X, Y, Z dimensions, channels and time points. An image sequence is the data structure within Volocity. It seamlessly handles 2- and 3-dimensional data with one or more channels and one or more time points. The file formats you see displayed here will automatically create image sequences if metadata is present. Multiple experiments may be added to the library in one drag and drop. A progress bar is shown during the import and image sequence is created. Images may be added to Volocity from a server volume, removable media, or local disk. Click once on your new image sequence to view the data and start working with it in Volocity. The file formats that you see displayed here, although supported by Volocity, do not normally come with metadata. For these formats, and any other where it has not been possible to create the image sequence, files will be added to the library as 2D images. If they were already in folders when they were dragged into Volocity, they will be added to the library as folders of images. These images may be made into a sequence manually. You can only create one sequence at a time with this method. Create a new empty image sequence by selecting Create New Image Sequence from the Actions menu. Double-click on the new empty image sequence to open it in a separate window. Drag the folder or selected images to the sequence. To add a subset of images, select just those images required. Specify the number of channels, time points and Z slices. Specify the order of the images. For other files of the same type, drag them straight from the source into an empty image sequence without having to go to the library first. Finally, check the spatial calibration of the image sequence. This will ensure the images appear in the correct aspect ratio in visualization and allow calibrated measurements to be made. Select Edit, Properties. Check these properties and adjust them if necessary. You are now ready to work with your data. You may encounter library clipping files which are also read by Volocity. They have the extension .acff. These files are library content that has been exported from one library for adding to another. Simply drag and drop a library clipping folder into an open library to move that content. Thank you for joining me for this Volocity tutorial. If you would like any more information about Volocity, please contact one of our imaging specialists.